Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the very first time, thank you for tuning in, and do not forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. And happy new year to everyone, and I want to believe we all had a great time with our families despite the pandemic. Today I'll be showing you an updo, a DIY updo. I've already sectioned the hair into 4 different parts, not exactly equal, but equal parts. And I'll be showing you how you can do an updo without you being a braider. If you can do a feeding braid or you can do the regular braid, you can definitely do an updo. You can rock a very good and simple updo without so much hassle. So I will be showing you how to do it. I've already conditioned, washed my hair. I just applied the detangler. So this is a style, the one up. That is what the end result will be. And stay tuned, and you can see how we can recreate that style. Okay, it's quite easy. And you will need a rubber band. You will need some hair gel. You can use any kind of gel that suits your hair. I use 2 different gels on this with this hair. I use the spray gel and I use the wet gel, the eco gel. Any gel can work for the hair, but all that matters is you being able to pick the hair and twist it on the scalp. That is the main thing. You can use anything that works best for you. Basically, I just did a simple style today. I'm doing the style for the very first time. Actually, the last time I did it, somebody did it for me. That was years ago, and today I will be trying it out, just to teach people. You don't have to know how to braid for you to do the style. So, and I hope you learned something today. guys are done with twisting the hair, and I'm gonna attach my hair extension to the updo. I call it pom pom. I actually got it from Amazon actually, and it has a comb in. It's like a regular wig anybody can attach on the hair. So yeah, that's it. So you push the combs in and it stays. It doesn't fall. You know, if you pull the rope, it just fits right into a little round, and that's it. It's easy. Anybody can literally do this. And I bought it for about $20 something. It's cheap, it's affordable, and I'm trying this out for the very first time. I'm hoping to in the future maybe try out doing a crochet or doing some braiding or even attaching a weave to it, you know. So yeah, but for now this is okay. I love the look. I love the end result, you know, and I can wear this to work. I can wear this anywhere, you know. Just lay my edges down some more and I'm good to go. And if you like what you see, do not forget to subscribe. You can check out our Facebook and Instagram pages, and you know, leave a comment below as well, and hit the notification button so we can keep you informed on any, you know, postings on this channel. And this is the Cherry Hair Studio, and all we do is about hair, hairstyles, hair products, and you know, tips on what you can do. So bye for now, and thank you for tuning in. Stay safe.